Hi guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. I'm going to be starting off with Dollar Tree wooden plaques. And this DIY is a requested video. And this is the photo that was sent to me, and I will be recreating it using some Dollar Tree items. I'll be making a box and holding them together with a strong adhesive. I'll be making 4 boxes for this project. I'll be closing some parts of the plaques that are not strong, like the middle parts, and I'll be using a strong foam board that I got from Michael's craft store. When I was done, I spray painted them silver. I'll be using the confetti that I got from the Dollar Tree to decorate these boxes. When I was done with all of them, I kept them aside to dry. These are Dollar Tree bowls that I got, and the list of all the items that I use for this project are going to be down in the description box below. This size of the Dollar Tree bowls are, as I would call it, the medium size, because they're slightly smaller than the bigger ones and slightly bigger than the smaller ones. I'm basically supposed to glue them like this, but because I'm worried that it might be too fragile, because it's plastic, so I'm going to double the bowls. Now I'm going to use a strong adhesive, and I'm using the transparent strong adhesive to attach the bowls to the boxes that I made. I'll be adding the bowls to the bottom and at the top of the boxes. I'll keep these to set overnight. Now for the shelving. I'll be using wood and a Walmart mirror. I'll be attaching the wood to the Walmart mirror to make the Walmart mirror stronger. I need the frames to be in silver, so I took it out and I spray painted the frames silver. I covered PVC lattice with mirror reflective paper, and I attached the lattice to the sides. It is very important to use a strong adhesive in a lot of quantity to attach these pieces to the mirror as you're building the design to keep it sturdy. I placed the Dollar Tree DIY besides the inspiration photo so you guys can see and compare the two. Now, I would have really preferred using bigger bowls for this project, but it would have been too high. But then for better stability, I would rather recommend using the bigger bowls, or you can equally just grab the strong ceramic Dollar Tree bowls and spray paint them silver to substitute it with the silver plated bowls. Even though I use the small bowls here, it can still hold heavy items, and I'm so pleased with the results. It is important that you remember to use a lot of adhesive when attaching the boxes and the bowls together with the mirror for better stability, because I had an issue with it before and I found out that more adhesive by the sides to cover up the gap because of the design of the silver plated bowls made it more sturdy. Thank you all so much for watching. Now, I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button.